Hi, this is Bee Leng from the Burning Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you to cook my favorite laksa, which I think is also your favorite, right? You know, I have not been cooking laksa for a very long time. You look at all the ingredients that I need to tombok, tombok, I got to pound the chili, the bokrans, everything I got to pound by hand. Today I'm going to make the laksa. Why? Because I just received the Panasonic V series blender. Thank you to Panasonic. I just need to use one finger and then press the button and that's it, Just a few minutes and all the rompa be done for me. And I don't have to pound until my hand ache, So do you want to know the outcome? Please stay tuned. Okay, one of the most important ingredients for laksa is this laksa leaves. So this leaf is actually available at the wet market, or you can also go to the bigger outlet in any supermarket in the chiller section. It's better to buy the fresh thick bihun like this. But if there's no choice, then you can use a dried one. Then you have to soak it in hot water. But the texture is not so smooth. First of all, wash the dried shrimp and I soak in hot water until it is soft. Then remove the seed from the red chili and cut into small pieces. For the dried chili, remove all the seed and cut into small pieces and soak in hot water until it is soft. Then remove the skin from the shallots and garlic. Peel the galanga and then cut into small pieces. Then toast a small piece of belacan and set aside. Remove the root end and the outer leaf of the lemongrass, and then we only use the white part of it because this part is the most fragrant. And then cut into slices. Rinse the laksa leaves and remove the leaves from the stalk. Cut the leaves into tiny strips and keep the stalk for the gravy. And then use a hot boiling water, pour over the cockles for about 10 seconds. Discard the water and remove the cockles from the shell using the cockle opener, and then put the cockles in the fridge. Okay, now I'm going to prepare the rompa for the laksa. Okay, I'm using this blender because this is a bigger one. It's 1.5 liter because of the amount of ingredient I need to use. But this also comes with a small one like this. This is called a dry and wet meal. Later I'll show you how I make the chili sambal using this. Okay, firstly I put in the shallot, the garlic, lemongrass, dried chili, fresh chili, the galanga, candle nut, belacan, turmeric powder, shrimp water which used to soak the dried shrimp earlier. I'm using the auto menu tool. When it is finely blended, remove and transfer to a bowl. See, now the rompa is so nicely done, but who is going to help me wash this? Oh yeah, remember, there is a cleaning button, Let's try, okay? Remember to cover it, otherwise, you have the whole house to clean up. So now I only need to press the P2 button. See? This will actually help you clear up all the things that are stuck, especially on the blades. So now I'm going to blend the dried shrimp using the same auto menu tool. When the shrimp was being blended, it was doing this way, right? So you see the shrimp are being sucked to the center, where the blades are. So this blade is able to chop and cut until it's so fine. And not only that, it is very evenly cut. So this is a wet and dried meal. You have to invert it this way and then twist it, open it up. I add in the shallot, the red chili, the dried chili, belacan as well as the oil, and then I blend it until it's very, very fine. I put it here and twist it, make sure there's a clip. Blanch the prawns in 500 ml of boiling water. When the prawn is in U shape, it's just done. Quickly remove it from the hot water. But once it's O shape, it's overdone and it will be very tough and hard. Remove the heads and the shells and keep the water for the gravy. To make the prawn stock, add in some oil and garlic and fry until it's fragrant. And add in all the prawn heads and shell and fry until it's aromatic and it's dry. While frying, use a spatula to press on the heads to squeeze out whatever juices from them. Then pour in the prawn water and bring it to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Pour the prawn stock over a sieve and discard all the shells. To fry the sambal chilli, heat up the oil and add in the chilli paste and fry over low heat until the oil separates from the chilli paste. When the chilli turns darker in color, add in the sugar and the salt. Continue to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. To fry the rompa, heat up the oil and add in the rompa and fry for about 30 minutes over low heat, stirring it constantly. Then add in the dried shrimp and fry for another 10 minutes until fragrant. Add in 4 tablespoons of coconut milk and fry for another 5 minutes. Add in the prawn stock and bring to a boil over medium heat and transfer it to the pot. Add in the laksa stock and continue to boil for about 20 minutes, stirring it constantly. Remove the stock, then add salt to taste. Lastly, add in the remaining coconut milk and tau pork. Continue to boil over low heat for 5 minutes, constantly stirring to prevent it from getting burnt. In a wok, add 500 ml of water and a bean sprout and bring to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then sieve out all the bean sprout and transfer to a bowl. Add in the thick bee hoon and blanch it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, look at my laksa. When look at the hum, my eyes. Oh, because I really love hum. I think this hum is not enough for me. So if you like this laksa recipe, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. See you the next time. Wow, only one bowl left, you know. Not nice not nice Oh, 糟了
Panasonic